Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca. I'm the course manager for Diploma in Pharmaceutical Science. Thank you for visiting us during our recent open house. We also noticed that there are some common questions that brought up by our visitors, and we are here to address your concerns.
So what are clinical trials?
Clinical trials in short is drug trials or drug testing on humans. Clinical trials is part of the whole process in drug development. After COVID-19, we will talk about the vaccines. So there's a lot of testing, debate on whether it's safe or not. So actually all these testing results are collected during clinical trials. Of course, there are regulations, laws that governs how we run clinical trials, and also what are the activities involved to run the clinical trials. For example, how do we properly recruit subjects and how do we actually administer certain skills, for example, blood taking, injection techniques, and so on. Come to year 3, the final year, you will have overview of how the project is run. So some management skills like how to conduct a research properly, that will be taught in the final year.
What are your everyday classes like?
Everyday classes is a combination of lectures, tutorials, and also practical sessions. So right now our lectures are all pre-recorded, so students can go into the online system to view it when they are free, and the students will need to come back for tutorials and practicals. Tutorials we are conducting face-to-face, and normally there will be a recap on the lecture topics. Also there are tutorial questions for discussions, and the students will work on different problems and based on the tutorial topics. For lab sessions, I think is more hands-on. The students will be able to conduct some experiments. For example, under one of the year 1 learning units, you get to see some microorganisms, just collect the water from the pond, and then you can actually view it under the microscope. DNA extraction from strawberries, or you view the cells for the onion skin. I think lab experiments will help you to understand better on the basic concepts of science.
Do you think this course is hard?
I think hard or not, I think depending on individual, and also there's different definition for hard. I would not say it's not hard based on what you're going to learn. Human bodies, about diseases, it's about medications, so you do need to put in some efforts to memorize or understand certain concepts. The curriculum actually is planned a step-by-step manner, so you start from easy topics, then you slowly progress on, and we have lecturers, tutors available to always guide you through if you encounter any difficulties or any confusions you have. Alright, I think that's 3 most asked questions that we have addressed in this video. If you have more questions, feel free to visit our websites and also follow us on Instagram so that you can understand better what is pharmaceutical science and what you learn from this course. Thank you.